We're in the kitchen, made our way to see Shona with Faith Baked Cakes to make easy peanut butter fudge. She has a tray already prepared.
Yes.
Pretty easy to make, only a few ingredients.
It's pretty easy to make.
Okay.
You know,
This
Christmas
has already
time.
been cooked, right?
Yes.
Or whatever it is. Okay, I didn't want to
Listen
take one
at
and
you.
then.
He tries to do this stuff to me all the time.
Well, I didn't want to take one and then something happened there. Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
No,
We're
no,
not gonna
I
get
didn't want to do
confused.
that.
All right, you're in a pinch, you're in a hurry,
Right,
you need an extra gift, or you just need some candy.
People are coming
All right,
over.
go
Okay.
get you 2 bags
That's
of
amazing.
peanut butter chips. Tell me how good it is, Russell.
It's incredible.
There you go.
Jeepers.
Open it up and get your chips in here if we can get them in here.
Gee.
All right, then the next thing you're going to add is about a couple teaspoons of vanilla. Try to use real vanilla. It tastes so much better. And then you're going to take 2 cans
I could drink this. Whew.
of condensed milk.
You know it's good with these ingredients.
See, look how good and creamy that is. You know that's why it's going to be so good. All right,
Gooey.
last can. And that is it. All right, then you're going to stick it into the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Just give it a stir, and then you're going to stick it back in for about 30 more seconds. I've got me a pan here. I've sprayed my little spray in it, and I put a piece of parchment paper down in there.
Gee.
You sprayed
All right.
before the parchment paper?
I do. That way the
Okay.
parchment
We
paper
do,
will
Beth.
stick.
You don't know what parchment paper is.
Now look at this. Look how good
gooey.
and creamy that is.
So how long do you melt it in the microwave?
About 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then stir, and then go 30 more seconds.
So that really is easy.
Now look at
Yep.
this. See how,
Oh my.
well,
Let's see.
we're trying not to flip it out on everybody, but just kind of melt it down until your chocolate chips are melted all the way. So if it needs an extra, 10 to 15 seconds, then that's fine. And sometimes it's okay to leave your chocolate chips, several of them, not all the way melted.
Okay.
This is the parchment paper.
Now look at this.
Ooh, yum.
Look how good that looks.
This is great.
Gee.
Okay, so
And then how long does it take?
I stick this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or overnight. Just spread it out evenly. Look how good that looks.
Gee.
Try to get it even,
Yum. That's so simple.
and that is it. And then when you pull it out, of course, when I came down, I was
Good gravy.
holy
at that.
moly.
And then all you do is slice.
Don't even cut that. Just give it to somebody. I mean,
Eat it
honestly, has
all.
anybody ever done that? Let's get out of the box here a little bit. Hand the whole block.
Slice and serve. Now this is not set up as good as it should be, but who cares?
yummy.
Good
Gosh, go, Beth. Get
Can
your
you
mouth
do-
on that thing.
If you don't like peanut butter, or could you do
You can
chocolate
do it with
chips
chocolate
too? Or chocolate and
I've
peanut
even
butter?
done it with white chocolate chips and added crushed up Oreo cookies,
Oh, or
mint
even
chocolate chip.
peppermints. Yeah.
Peppermint,
Unbelievable.
maple, you name it. It's so good.
Yummy.
Just incredible.
Oh, creamy, good and creamy.
Terrific. Oh, it looks delicious.
So I
That's
bet
it.
you're busy. Are you at the point where
We
you can
are
wind
covered
down,
up.
or no?
Well, we did our last catering today at Wallace Hardware, so we're finished with our caterings. I've got a few candy trays going out, and then I'm taking a break.
Good for
Hey,
you.
well, we hope you have a Merry Christmas and get to enjoy
Well,
the
Merry
holidays.
Christmas to you
Thank
all.
you.
All right.
Love having you here.
I want to let you know we got the shark down from the ceiling of the studio.
did.
We're going to show it coming up after the break.